So in case you haven't noticed, I've been a little MIA for the last few weeks, and if you don't follow me on other social media, here's what happened. Yep, isn't it gorgeous? So about 3.5 weeks ago, I fell while I was running on the trail and broke my elbow. So life has been a little interesting for the last 3.5 weeks. There hasn't been any creativity. I can finally figured out how to sort of do my makeup with my left hand. I can't do my hair at all except for brush it basically. So it's been an interesting 3.5 weeks. But I just wanted to hop on and just let you guys know that I didn't abandon my channel. It's just been kind of a rough 3.5 weeks. I'm on the mend. Hopefully we're looking at another 2.5 to 4 weeks, 2.5 to 3 weeks. I don't know. We'll see what happens the next time I go to the doctor. So I am starting to get some dexterity back in this hand, which was a super scary situation in the beginning. I couldn't move my fingers and we weren't sure if that was a permanent thing. So yeah, definitely a little scary when these are kind of the money makers. I mean, this is nice, but these are what make the art. So still sore, still having to do some ibuprofen and that kind of stuff. So it's been an interesting, stressful, sometimes slightly depressing 3.5 weeks. But I'm gonna try to get back in and just do a few little art things here and there. I thought it would actually be really funny to do a series called The Injured Artist and just basically see what I could do with my left hand and partial on my right hand. I'm allowed to take my splint off to do what he called small everyday activities right now, which basically just means I can take it off to type. I can't do long periods of typing and that kind of stuff, and it takes forever. But I'm gonna try. We're gonna see what we can do over the next few weeks while I'm still recuperating. But I just wanted you guys to know that I didn't abandon you and I'm still around. And I thought it would be fun. I had to leave it like this because I was in a women's conference this past weekend and the colors were all kind of neutral. But now that that's over, I think it's time to make this look a little more me. So cut to some fun crafty video and let's see how I can do with just my left hand. And thank you guys for always being there to support me, and here we go on the injured artist journey for the next few weeks. Thanks guys.